Hi students, welcome to online class. The last class we had discussed about energy and work. I hope all of you understood the energy and work. Yes. Today we are going to discussing factors determining work. See, consider a box. Okay. Consider an empty box being pushed from position A to position B through a distance x. This is x. Okay. Naturally, some force is required to move the box through distance x, and hence some work is done. Okay. Actually, we are give a force on the box A, so that's why it's moved. So it is considered what we are doing some work. Okay. Now imagine that the box is filled with stone and it is again moved from A to B distance x. Okay, A to B distance is x. It is obvious that the force required to do so will be more than in the first case. First case we are just giving a small force. Okay, but in case second case we are just fill the stones in the box A. So this second case also they need very less amount of force, otherwise energy. No, it's need more force. Okay, then only it will be moved to A to B. So in other words, more work is done in the later case. When we say that the work done by by a body depends upon the force applied, that is, the more the work done, the more is than force applied. Okay. Now consider a box filled with stones. Let us take box A and the displacement. See the displacement, that is the second figure. See the figure 2. This displacement A to B, that is 2 meter. A to B by some force. Okay. And some work is done in moving the box if the same force is applied to push the box, so that displacement is 4 meter. Displacement will be 4 meter. Okay. So the work done will be doubled. This we can conclude that that more the displacement of a body, more is work done. Okay, more the displacement of a body is more the work done. Is it clear? Yes. Mathematically, work is defined as the product of force and displacement through which force acts. If F is the applied force, S is the displacement in the direction of applied force, and W is the work done. Okay, then work done equal to force into displacement, force multiply displacement. Okay, through which the force acts. So we can set W equal to F into S. F means what? Force, and the S for displacement. From the above expressions of work, it is clear that if a force done not cause any displacement, okay, that is displacement is zero, then work done on the body is zero. So see, uh, W equal to F into displacement is 0. Okay, so W equal to F into 0 equal to what? 0. Is it clear? Yes. Further, if the displacement caused by the factors is at right angles to the direction of applied force, the work done is again 0. Let us take the following example. See, consider you are carrying your heavy school bag hmm, on your shoulders and standing still. The weight of the school bag is acting vertically downward. Yes or no? Yes. So to counter this weight of our shoulders, apply an equal force in the vertically upward direction. Due to this force, no displacement is caused. Thus, in the language of physics, you are not doing any work. Why? Because there is no displacement, we are just carrying our bag. If there is any displacement, we are doing work. Otherwise, just think about you are pull the wall of building, it will be moved. No, so there is no displacement, but you are acting force. So there is you are doing any work? No. The another examples of our porters, they're carrying bag, the bag having any displacement? No, which means what? The porter not doing any work. Okay. Yes. Furthermore, if you start walking on the flat ground, then that displacement is caused at right angles to the direction of your movements. Okay. Thus, we can say the work done by you against the force of gravity. Hmm? When we are carrying the things, bags, then only we need to move. There is no displacement, so that is not, we are not doing any work. Okay. So here we are start to move. Okay, so what happened? The work is done. Okay. This we can say that the work done by against the force of gravity, otherwise weight, okay, is zero, since distance moved by you is normal to weight. In a way, the displacement does not take place in the direction of the force applied by your shoulders. Hence, no work is done. Okay, you are moving, so you are doing work, but the bag, but still your bag have, there is no displacement. Okay, so it is zero, the work done is zero. So we can say the porter is doing work. Actually in physics, in our physics there is no work. Okay, so in our physics we can set the porters are not doing any work. Okay, but we cannot able to set that because they are doing mentally and physically doing work. That's why we are paying the money also. Okay, the work will be done only if you start climbing up the stairs or move down the stairs. If it, because now the displacement take place in the direction of force. Okay, so what is the unit of work? You know that we already learned that unit of work is joule. Okay. So when a force of 1 Newton causes a displacement of 1 meter in an one direction, the work done is said to be 1 joule. So 1 joule equal to 1 Newton multiply 1 meter. So here I gave one problem. Okay, you can able to solve that. Calculate the amount of work done. A force of 25 Newton causes a displacement of 4 meter in its one direction. So here it is giving that, given that what a force is given 25 Newton, and displacement F is given, and displacement S is also given, that is 4 meter. So you want to calculate what the magnitude of work done or amount of work done. Okay, see, F is equal to how much? 25 Newton, and the next displacement S is equal to 4 meter. Therefore, work done W equals what? F into S. So add the values in the equation. F is 25 Newton and 4 S is 4 meter. Okay. So multiply it. You will get what? Yes, 100 joule. Is it clear? Yes. I hope all of you understood this topic. Okay. Thank you.